Crap to Cream MGB Resto part 38. So this is about a bit of machining and also the fitting of the dashboard. So the machining, this is the throttle cable. This then goes into the plate on the inlet manifold. So that goes into there. And then this goes onto the inner wing. Now on the inner wing, the fitting that I've got, the throttle cable went straight through. And when I took it apart, the fitting that I took out just had a washer stuck over the wire to stop the cable going into the car. So I've made a little brass fitting now. So this is now glued into here, and the cable just fits into here, and it's all good to go. So that makes that a lot better, so it now just doesn't zip straight through into the insides of the car. And the difference that I made in the length is minuscule in comparison to the amount of cable I've got sticking out of the other end. And the other little jobby I've been doing is on the slave cylinder. So some of you will be aware how difficult it is to bleed these slave cylinders sometimes. So what I've done with the last two slave cylinders that I've had, I've taken the piston out and I've machined a groove into it, and then I fit an O-ring into the groove like so, and then put a little bit of lubricant around that, and then that just fits into there. And so that stops it drawing the air in when you're on the return stroke on the pedal. So I've done it a couple of times now and it seems to work a treat. So yeah, it just works, and one of those things that modifications that I've done. So now I will move up to the other shed and we'll look at the installation of the dashboard. So here we are, carrying on. So made more progress in the shed now. So underneath here now, you hopefully can see I've fitted the isolator. So fitted in the earth, not in the live, right, so that it's less risk. So it's in the middle of the seat. It's hard to cut it through into the carpet, but hey, it's just the way it is. So that's done now. What else have I done? Oh, slave cylinder's done, but I can't find the rod for the life of me that goes from here to the slave cylinder. So I've got one set up, ready, coming on its way here. Really weird and wonderful earth strap here. So it connects to there. Speedo cable is all latched up now. And I think that's about it. Oh, I found a cover that I hadn't put on, so I've put that on now. So that's that. And I think that's about it under here. Most of the work's been done up top. High inertia starter motor. Found a brake line loose as well, so it's always worthwhile to go around and checking all the brake lines have been tightened up. And braided flex. So under here now, I've connected the hose correctly to the right place on the carburetors. I've been messing around with various bits and pieces under here, so it's all tightened up. Just been going around checking everything, making sure everything's tight and hopefully leak proof. And then the big change this week is the dashboard is now in, and as you can see, the courtesy light works. Look at that. How about that? So yes, the dashboard's in. So apart from the indicator lights being in the wrong way round, there now I've got an ignition light, right, left, headlights, lights work, all the lights work. Haven't done the bumper, haven't done the registration plate lights yet, haven't put the rego plate on yet. Yeah, but all the lights are working now, so that's really, really, really good. Yeah, just like turn the lights off. So yeah, so that's all done now. So yeah, just the indicator lights were the wrong way around. So steering column's in. The cowl is very second-hand. Got a gap in it here, and they're no longer available. So right now I'm yeah, it is what it is, unfortunately. So the battery's in, cable, the isolator's over here now, so that's all plumbed in. I haven't obviously anchored the battery down just yet. I think that's all, but the dash, yeah, that was a bit of an exciting little exercise. All the buttons are all in, and if anybody knows where these go, so they're round pin connections. There's a black and a white, there's a green, and then there's this red and white one here, white with a red tracer, and I honestly don't know where they go. I haven't been able to find anywhere to put them. So yeah, I don't know where they go. So yeah, anybody's got any ideas, please put it in the comments. Always willing to learn. Alright, so that's the end of Crap to Cream for today.